Hi, I'm Su Yu. This is our demo for the Milestone3 for the checkbox part. And first I will demo the infrastructure upgrade. And I create a load balancer that stores and redirects traffic to checkbox instance. We use HA proxy to do this part, to do the load balancer. We change the configure management file of the HA proxy. And we use the balance algorithm of round robin to separate balanced request to the two servers. And we can see that in these two servers, the first is 100, its IP address is 100, and the second server is 200. And we can see that it has a balanced. It is the status of the HA proxy report, and we can see that the two servers had a balanced load. And then we create a Redis feature flag server that can be used to turn off features on checkbox. And then we can see this server. We will exit the server and go into the Redis. And we will set the steady listing false. Then we will see what happens. At this time, the feature flag is off, and this feature is still on. Then we set the steady list to true. Then we will see. We can see that the feature flag is on, and this feature of the steady listing has been closed. And then we will demo the canary release. Canary release is implement the ability to perform a canary release for the checkbox, and we also use the HA proxy server to give a different weight to different server. And we route a percentage of traffic to a new staged version of software, and the remaining traffic is to a stable version of software. In this part, we need to change the configuration file of the HA proxy. We will use the HTTP check to get the result of the API alert page. And if we get the status, we can see the code first. we can see that if we get the result status is 500, the alert is on, and if we get the status of 200, the alert is off. And when the HTTP check it checked the status of 200 and the alert is off. We will restart the HA process. At this time, I will change the set the alert to false. We can see that we get the result is 200 in the node 1. And the node 2 is also get the 200 result. And at this time, these two servers are both in use when the alert is off. And we can see the ratio of the traffic between this of the two servers. Is 1 to 5. And then we set the alert true in release in node 1. And we start the server. We can see that at this time we get the result is 500 to the HA processing. And at this time, we restart the HA processing. We can see at this time, server 1 is stopped it. And we can check it on the web page. At this time, the server 1 alert is on. And the server 2 alert is off. Okay, that's all for our demo. Thank you very much. Bye.